7 Yoga Exercises for Stretching Your Body. You can stretch your body using a variety of yoga movements. But first, let us examine the effects of stretching on our bodies. It helps us work out without fear of injury by releasing tension in the body and reducing muscular stiffness. So, if you wonder what these exercises are, worry not. In this video, we've compiled a list of the top yoga asanas for extending your body, as well as their general health advantages and more. Continue watching to discover about the benefits of yoga for stretching and how to do it. Let's look at the relevance of yoga for stretching first. Yoga for stretching. Stiffness is harmful in both the body and the psyche. Why is yoga the most effective technique to stretch? It does so because it relaxes both the mind and the body. Stretching in yoga entails both moving the body and deep breathing. Breathing allows you to go deeper into your muscles, allowing you to become more conscious of what your body requires. This, along with proper stretching, will only improve your exercises while avoiding injury. Yoga keeps your muscles active and healthy while also keeping them flexible. Yoga is the best choice for comprehensive stretching. Below are some yoga poses to consider. Try these to appreciate the benefits of yoga stretching. 1. Baddha Konasana, Butterfly Pose. The butterfly pose, also known as Baddha Konasana, is a sitting asana that resembles a butterfly fluttering its wings when in motion. Baddha Konasana in a static position resembles a cobbler at work. This is a vinyasa yoga asana for beginners. It's best to do it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. For 1 to 5 minutes, stay in the stance. What does Baddha Konasana do to your body? The inner thighs, groins, and knees are stretched in Baddha Konasana. The stretch's advantages. Your ovaries and kidneys are stimulated by this stance. It relieves menstruation pain and is used to treat infertility. The position helps with delivery and relieves exhaustion. 2. Bharadvajasana, Seer pose. The Seer pose, also known as Bharadvajasana, is named after Bharadvaj, one of the famous 7 seers. It's a basic sitting twist and a hatha yoga asana of intermediate difficulty. For optimal effects, do the asana first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and with clean intestines. Keep it in place for 30 to 60 seconds. What does Bharadvajasana do to your body? Bharadvajasana is a yoga pose that extends the shoulders, hips, and back. The stretch's advantages. Bharadvajasana helps in digestion and elimination. It improves backache and neck discomfort by calming your nervous system. The twist relaxes the mind and relieves carpal tunnel pain. 3. Anjaneyasana, head to knee pose. Regarding the position, the head to knee pose, also known as Anjaneyasana, is a sitting asana in which your head touches your knee. It's an Ashtanga yoga asana for beginners. Practice the asana on an empty stomach in the morning or after a 4 to 6 hour break from your last meal in the evening. Keep it in place for 30 to 60 seconds. Anjaneyasana stretches what? The spine, hamstrings, and abdomen are all stretched in Anjaneyasana. The stretch's advantages. The kidneys and liver are stimulated by Anjaneyasana. The stance helps with headaches and anxiety, as well as sleeplessness. It also aids in the reduction of tummy fat. 4. Vasisthasana, side plank pose. Vasisthasana, or side plank pose, is named after Vasistha, a great seer who possessed Kamadhanu, a cow who granted any request. It's a hatha yoga asana for beginners. On an empty stomach, do the asana in the morning. For 30 to 60 seconds, hold the stance. Vasisthasana is a yoga pose that stretches the body. Vasisthasana is a stretching pose that extends your arms, wrists, and legs. The stretch's advantages. Vasisthasana enhances balance and coordination while also strengthening the core. It's a great approach to sharpen your attention and increase your concentration. 5. Chakrasana, wheel pose. Chakrasana, often known as the wheel pose, is a yoga posture. A deep backward stretch is achieved in this pose. Its name comes from the fact that it resembles a wheel when assumed. It's an Ashtanga yoga asana for beginners. Chakrasana can be done in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening after a 4 to 6 hour gap since your last meal. Keep it there for 1 to 5 minutes. Chakrasana is a yoga pose that stretches the chakras. Chakrasana is a yoga pose that extends the hands, chest, and buttocks. The stretch's advantages. Chakrasana is beneficial to the heart and lungs. It increases the activity of your thyroid and pituitary glands. The position boosts your vitality and alleviates sadness. 6. Anjaneyasana, Crescent Pose. Anjaneyasana, or Crescent Pose, is a yoga posture. When taken, the pose resembles a crescent moon, and it is also the attitude in which Lord Hanuman of Indian mythology is generally depicted. It's a vinyasa yoga asana for beginners. On an empty stomach, perform the asana. For 15 to 30 seconds, hold the stance. What does Anjaneyasana do for your body? The quadriceps, hip flexors, and gluteus maximus are all stretched in Anjaneyasana. The stretch's advantages. Your lower body is stimulated by Anjaneyasana. It is beneficial to individuals who suffer from sciatica. It tones your body while releasing tension in your hips and shoulders. 7. Prasarita Padottanasana, wide-legged forward bend pose. The wide-legged forward bend pose, or Prasarita Padottanasana, is a forward bend that is ideal practice for more advanced inversions. The asana is a vinyasa yoga asana for beginners. On an empty stomach, practice Prasarita Padottanasana in the morning. Keep it in place for 30 to 60 seconds. Prasarita Padottanasana stretches what? Calves, hips, and lower back are stretched in Prasarita Padottanasana. The stretch's advantages. Anxiety and tension in the neck and shoulders are relieved by Prasarita Padottanasana. It tones your abdominal organs while also alleviating moderate backaches. The position calms your body and expands your hips. What good is life if it doesn't include a nice stretch? It keeps you prepared and ready to face whatever comes your way. Practice the yoga exercises suggested above to quicken your step and feel more energized. They will maintain your mind and body in good shape. So get started and become incredibly adaptable. Disclaimer. This article is solely meant to provide general information and does not address specific circumstances. It is not a substitute for professional advice or assistance, and it should not be used to make any judgments. For the diagnosis and treatment of any medical issues, a professional physician should be consulted. Any decisions you make based on the information in this report are your own. If you're looking for weight loss secrets, have a look at this.